Hey guys, this is Frank Tapia here now. I'm gonna be doing a video show you all my DVD unboxing of Frank. I got this at Falcomart in school for $1. This is stars Domhnall Gleeson, Maggie Gyllenhaal, Scott McNairy. It says a film by Lenny Abrahamson on it. It says weird and wonderful, variety, bonkers and brilliant, says Time Out. And Michael Fassbender too. And this is released by Magnolia Home Entertainment on it. Well, here's the front, the side, and the back. It says Totally Rocks, says IndieWire on it. It says Bizarrely Brilliant, says the playlist on it. Special features includes deleted scenes, behind the sounds, behind the mask, meet the band. What is the name of the band? Interview with director Lenny Abrahamson. AXS TV. A look at Frank. Commentary with director Lenny Abrahamson. Actor Domhnall Gleeson and music composer Stephen Rennicks on it. Rated R, and it's 95 minutes running time. Without further ado, let's get this unboxed. There. Let me tear off the sticker first. Okay, so here's the front once again, the side, and the back. We can open this up. Here's the disc for the movie. Sorry, no inserts. Alright guys, we'll comment, like, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comment section below. Alright, bye.